Hey, what's up, Giovanni? My name is Devin, and you spoke with my partner Mary yesterday on just getting more leads and more clients to your guys' business. So, really quickly, I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her and as well as checking this video out. So, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do super easy to beat out Fenceworks of Georgia. As you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Atlanta fencing, and somewhere you definitely want to be and something that's definitely beatable. So really quickly, I know you're probably wondering why I'm making you this video. Well, it's super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't have time to learn how the internet can bring them more leads and more clients itself. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is and who isn't an expert, or some people do hire people and they just aren't getting them the results that they want. So I found out if I make these attack plans and just give them away for free, some owners go out there and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up giving me a call back. So whatever you guys decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is just educate you and just give you some good information. No harm, no foul. So I want to talk to you about three things today. Like I said, content, backlinks, and citations. So as I see, we have your guys' website pulled up right here. The first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages because in their eyes, it's not only going to keep them on your page longer with more content, it's going to keep them on Google longer. So Google has the opportunity to sell more ads and more clicks because Google's all about making money. So Google crawls all these websites and see who has the most content right here so that they can list them right here in the spotlight on these front pages. Because as we know, about 70% of people are doing their shopping or their research on this first page. Nobody's going to this second page, third or fourth, etc. page. So being right here on Front Street on this first page is very important. So Google wants to put people with the most content on these front pages right here. So as we see Fenceworks of Georgia page, we see that they aren't reaching the authority mark when it comes to 1,500 to 2,000 words, but they do have roughly about 800 to 900 words of content on here. So definitely beatable and something I would definitely tell you guys to strive for. And equally important to content on these front pages is keywords. So a keyword is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for business. For example, Atlanta fencing is a keyword you want to be ranked for. As you see, it gets 480 clicks per month, just this keyword alone. So adding in those high volume keywords to your front page will let Google know that when people are typing in this stuff on in this search bar right here, it'll let Google know that they need to put your page up here when people are searching for this. You see Atlanta fence right here. This is in their front page somewhere right here. So just adding those high volume keywords will let Google know that they need to put your website right here to send you more traffic. So the second thing I want to talk to you about today is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company, but they want to make sure it's relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other fencing companies and other contractors rather than using like Pizza Hut sending power to your website because Google knows you don't make pizzas. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there. You can just go Google search those, but I pay for this one. As we see, you guys have 5 different websites giving you a total of 7 backlinks, which is 7 links that has PDQ fence to it. So we hop over here to your competitors right here. We see they have 723 different websites giving them 2.7K backlinks. And you can also see the amount of keywords they're using, which is bringing them a lot of traffic and a lot of personnel. So this is very easy to beat them and very easy to go get. We just click on here and you literally want to copy these. So we can see exactly what websites they're using to rank right here. And if these websites were good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked as well. So you want to come in here. A lot of these are blog posts. A lot of these are directories. And the majority of these are free. So you want to come in here, just create an account. If it's a blog comment, just leave a little comment and then leave a link to your website, linking back to you guys. So they have about, let's see, they have about 15 pages of these right here. So you want to come out here and you want to take all these backlinks right here and then apply them to your website. So with those 2 tips, with the content, keywords, And then the backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section on the front page of Google. If you want to be ranked right here in this Google My Business section, the map pack right here, this has everything to do with citations. And citations are completely free. All you need to do is just have more than your competitors right here. A citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. Let's go right here. And we see these guys have 59 citations right here. I'll show you a little bit clearer view. And you guys have 14 citations right here. So similar to backlinks, we can come in here and see exactly what citations these guys are using, what directories they're using. And you want to come out here and get these for yourself right here. So you want to copy all these directories these guys have going on for them, and then list your business as well. And if they have 59 citations, I would suggest going out and getting 100 to 150 to really just dominate the game. So that's pretty much it. Pretty much everything I have for you today. I try to keep it short and sweet. With those 3 tips, you're going to be dominating this Google My Business section as well as this organic listing section. And I used Atlanta. I know you guys aren't exactly based in Atlanta, but this is the highest volume we have in the area right here. So if you can dominate Atlanta, you're definitely going to dominate those smaller cities, the Gwinnett counties, the Marietas. You're gonna definitely be dominating those areas if you can dominate this area right here. So quick recap, I went over just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page right here, as long as adding those high volume keywords that you guys have. Then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing these backlinks right here, applying them to your website. If they was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. And then same thing with the citations, going out and doubling the amount of citations they have. So again, my name is Devin. I appreciate you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. We are local. I do have a 775 number, but I am local if you guys want to meet up. But my cell phone number is 775-402-2885, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.